This is the new Spivo 360. It's a selfie stick with a twist for people who like to travel and go on adventures. The Spivo 360 swivels your camera so you can capture a selfie and capture what you're doing or where you are. Like at this abandoned mine, I was able to capture myself and the mine in one easy shot.
This allows you to easily capture everything that's going on around you from two interesting perspectives. Adventurers all over the world love using the Spivo 360 to help them tell their story. They take it with them everywhere because it's waterproof, snowproof, and travel-proof.
It's made from polycarbonate and stainless steel, so it's impact resistant and lightweight. For watery adventures, use the buoy flotation device add-on to make it float and protect your memories.
Use any GoPro with the included mount and control the shutter with the Wi-Fi remote for GoPro add-on. Mount any digital camera with the tripod screw or your phone with the flip Phonemount add-on, which also comes with the Bluetooth remote that controls your camera app.
At 20 inches long, it fits in any backpack or carry-on and comes with a sleeve to carry your Spivo 360 and camera. Get one today so on your next adventure you can bring home the memories you deserve.